Candles on the birthday cake. Pretty please let me walk someday. And a puff of smoke, her wish was made. I fought back my tears, wondering what I would say. Swooping her up, we played airplane. While I whirled round and round, I did my best to explain. Angels don't walk, they fly. They're made for daddies to soar through the sky till their wings come down from heaven on high. Angels don't walk, they fly. New candles now, she's 5 years old. How can I give what she wants most? With her fingers crossed and eyes squints closed, I felt my heart sink like a rock in my